Welcome to ReneEnergy.com on YouTube, the hub for all things renewable energy and sustainability. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest innovations and insights in green energy, including cutting-edge developments like green hydrogen. Whether you're a sustainability veteran or just beginning your journey, we have something for everyone. Join us on this channel to explore inspiring projects for a sustainable tomorrow. We bring you the latest in renewable energy, sustainability, and cutting-edge technologies. And don't forget, for more in-depth information and resources, visit our website and subscribe to our newsletter for the latest updates and exclusive content. Imagine a world where entire cities are powered by clean, renewable hydrogen energy. A world where cars, trains, and even airplanes emit nothing but pure water vapor. Where industries, homes, and businesses operate efficiently without reliance on fossil fuels. This is not science fiction, it is the future we are building today. As global efforts to combat climate change intensify, hydrogen is emerging as a cornerstone of the next energy revolution. Nations are investing heavily in green hydrogen infrastructure, and cities are being designed to function entirely on sustainable energy. Hydrogen has long been considered a promising energy carrier, but recent advancements in technology, decreasing costs of renewable energy, and government support have accelerated its adoption. The idea of hydrogen-powered cities is no longer a distant dream. It is on the verge of becoming a reality. With investments pouring into hydrogen production, distribution, and utilization, we are witnessing the dawn of a cleaner, more sustainable civilization. Today, we take you on a journey into the breathtaking future of hydrogen-powered cities, a world free from fossil fuels, pollution, and energy crises. Cities of the future will be powered by hydrogen at every level. Skyscrapers will be designed with integrated solar panels and vertical wind turbines, harnessing renewable energy to produce hydrogen through electrolysis. Below, a vast network of hydrogen microgrids will distribute clean energy seamlessly, powering homes, businesses, and industries. These microgrids will store excess energy in hydrogen fuel cells, ensuring a reliable power supply even when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. Hydrogen storage solutions will eliminate the need for backup fossil fuel power plants, creating a truly renewable energy ecosystem. Unlike traditional grids that suffer from fluctuations and blackouts, hydrogen-based infrastructure will offer stability, resilience, and energy security. This transition will mark a new era where hydrogen is no longer seen as an alternative but as the very foundation of modern civilization. The transportation sector is undergoing a dramatic shift as hydrogen takes center stage. Picture a city where hydrogen fuel cell vehicles have replaced gas-powered cars. Refueling takes less than 3 minutes, and the only byproduct is water vapor. This transition will significantly reduce urban air pollution, improving public health and cutting greenhouse gas emissions. Public transit will be revolutionized by hydrogen-powered high-speed trains that glide silently along maglev tracks, connecting urban hubs without polluting the air. Freight transport will also undergo a transformation, with hydrogen-powered trucks and ships replacing their diesel counterparts. Hydrogen fueling stations will be widespread, ensuring that long-distance travel remains fast and convenient without harming the environment. In the skies above, autonomous hydrogen-powered drones and air taxis will transport passengers, easing congestion on the roads and creating a new era of urban mobility. At international airports, massive hydrogen-fueled aircraft will prepare for transcontinental flights, marking the end of fossil fuel-powered aviation. Hydrogen propulsion will redefine air travel, making it quieter, cleaner, and more efficient than ever before. Future homes will no longer rely on traditional power grids. Instead, they will operate independently, powered by hydrogen fuel cells that store surplus energy generated from solar and wind sources. These self-sustaining homes will not only reduce carbon footprints but also ensure uninterrupted power supply, even in extreme weather conditions. Inside, every appliance, from heating systems to kitchen stoves, will run on hydrogen, eliminating indoor air pollution caused by gas combustion. Smart home technologies will optimize energy consumption, adjusting hydrogen usage based on demand, weather conditions, and real-time energy pricing. Water recycling systems will integrate seamlessly with hydrogen production processes, repurposing the byproducts of hydrogen fuel cells to create a circular, sustainable living environment. Hydrogen-based communities will be entirely off-grid, reducing strain on national power infrastructures while promoting energy independence. At the heart of this transformation lies the hydrogen economy, a system in which energy is produced, stored, and distributed with maximum efficiency. Electrolysis plants powered by solar, wind, and hydroelectric energy will extract hydrogen from water, making the production process entirely emissions-free. Once produced, hydrogen will be stored in underground reservoirs, transported via dedicated pipelines, and distributed to industries, homes, and transportation networks. This seamless integration of hydrogen infrastructure will ensure a constant and stable energy supply, preventing shortages and reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Global hydrogen hubs will allow surplus energy to be exported, creating a worldwide clean energy market. As nations build these hubs, international trade in hydrogen will expand, shifting economies away from oil and gas dependency. The hydrogen economy will not only reduce emissions but also create millions of jobs in renewable energy production, infrastructure development, and technological innovation. The hydrogen revolution extends beyond power and transportation. It will redefine heavy industries that have traditionally been major carbon emitters. Steel production, chemical manufacturing, and other industrial processes that currently rely on coal and natural gas will transition to hydrogen, eliminating billions of tons of CO2 emissions. For example, hydrogen-based direct reduction technology is already being implemented in steel manufacturing, cutting emissions to near zero. Factories will operate on hydrogen fuel cells, ensuring clean energy production at every stage of manufacturing. Even mining operations, which have long depended on diesel-powered machinery, will shift to hydrogen-powered vehicles, drastically reducing their environmental impact. The aerospace sector will also embrace hydrogen, with next-generation spacecraft utilizing liquid hydrogen as a primary fuel source. NASA and private space companies are already exploring hydrogen-based propulsion systems that promise to revolutionize space exploration. The future of industry is not just cleaner, it is entirely emission-free. As the sun sets, hydrogen-powered cities will come alive with a dazzling display of energy efficiency. Streets will be illuminated by hydrogen-powered LED lighting, casting a soft blue glow that signifies a new era of sustainability. Skyscrapers will remain vibrant, powered by stored hydrogen reserves that keep the city operational through the night. In massive hydrogen-powered stadiums, thousands of spectators will gather for concerts and sporting events, all powered without burning a single drop of fossil fuel. Autonomous hydrogen security drones will patrol the skies, ensuring public safety while consuming minimal energy. The silence of the city will be striking, no engine noise, no pollution, just a clean and efficient urban environment. The air will be crisp and clean, free from the smog and emissions of the past. Parks and green spaces will thrive, no longer threatened by the environmental degradation caused by industrial pollution. The city of the future will not just be technologically advanced, it will be a sanctuary of sustainability, where innovation and environmental responsibility go hand in hand. Hydrogen-powered cities are no longer just a vision, they are becoming a reality. Around the world, governments and corporations are racing to build the first fully hydrogen-based economy. Japan is pioneering hydrogen-powered smart cities, Saudi Arabia is investing billions in the NEOM project, and Europe is constructing hydrogen highways that will connect nations with zero-emission transport. While the transition will take time, every investment, breakthrough, and innovation brings us closer to a world where clean energy is limitless. The hydrogen revolution is here, and its impact will be felt across industries, economies, and everyday life. If you enjoyed this look into the future of hydrogen, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ReneEnergy.com for more insights into renewable energy and sustainable technology. The future is hydrogen, and the future is now. Thanks for tuning into the ReneEnergy.com YouTube channel. We trust you found this episode enlightening and motivating. There's a world of innovation and opportunity in sustainable energy, and we're delighted to share this journey with you. Stay in the loop with the latest on renewable energy and sustainability by visiting our website and subscribing to our newsletter. Your support is immensely appreciated, it's truly invaluable to us. Don't miss our next video on new trends in renewable energy. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. Enjoyed the video? Like, subscribe, and share for more green insights. Thanks for watching.